Why stress about furnishing or setting up when everything is already done for you? This is Varsha from Ray White, so excited to present my brand new listing here in Riverstone. Let's check it out together. With the bedroom downstairs, a spacious rumpus upstairs, and beautifully designed interiors, all you need to do is just bring in your bags and unpack.